Ground crews at Vandenberg Air Force Base in California raised a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket on its launch pad earlier this month in preparation for liftoff May 5 with NASA's InSight lander heading to Mars. The two-stage rocket was assembled in 3 pieces, beginning with the stacking of the Atlas V's first stage booster March 3 at Space Launch Complex 3 East. The first stage's RD 180 main engine will burn a mixture of kerosene and liquid oxygen to send the InSight spacecraft out of the Earth's atmosphere during the first 4 minutes of the flight. The Atlas V Centaur upper stage, powered by an Aerojet Rocketdyne RL-10 engine, was installed on top of the first stage March 6. The Centaur engine, consuming liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, will dispatch the InSight probe with enough velocity to escape Earth's gravity and head for Mars. 2 days later, on March 8, a boat tail structure was added to the top of the Centaur stage. The boat tail provides an aerodynamic and structural connection between the Centaur and the Atlas V's payload fairing, which will be lifted on top of the rocket with the InSight spacecraft next month. Liftoff is scheduled for May 5 during 2-hour launch window that opens at 4:05 a.m. PDT, 7:05 a.m. EDT, 1105 GMT. The InSight mission has until June 8 to depart Earth, a month-long period determined by the planetary positions of Earth and Mars in the Solar System. Built by Lockheed Martin, InSight will reach Mars on November 26, using a heat shield, a supersonic parachute and retro rockets to steer toward a soft touchdown on Elysium Planitia, a broad equatorial plain. Once on the ground, the lander will survey its surroundings with cameras, then use its robotic arm to place a seismometer instrument on the surface to listen for tremors that could provide clues about the red planet's deep interior.